You can't believe in Jesus if he does not come to appear to you. Why is it that many people go to Bible school and they graduated as criminals? Because they entered here as criminals. You don't know Jesus, you are going to Bible school. You become an hardened, in fact, you become a trained Satan, educated Satan, cultured Satan. You become a refined devil. Because the way the curriculum of Bible school is arranged is to just give you Bible in your head. But that may not be the truth for all Bible schools, because some Bible schools who have their leaders with the spirit of redemption in them and they know what they are doing, they want to ensure that any student I enroll come into the saving knowledge of Christ before you begin to introduce them to their logy. So why do we study Bible? To know God for ourselves, to have a meeting with him. And you don't need to go to Bible school to know what I'm saying.